Hello everyone, welcome to this video, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can fix Instagram stories not loading. So in this video I've compiled a short list of ways in order to fix if Instagram stories are not loading. So fix number one is going to be extremely easy, but basically all you need to do is head over to the top right corner of your screen at that control center, because the first thing what you want to do is make sure that you have a proper Wi-Fi connection. If you have a really bad Wi-Fi connection, then this basically means that Instagram will take a really long time in order to basically load, and this will also include your Instagram stories. So just make sure that you have a proper Wi-Fi connection. Now, if that is still not working, what I would also recommend doing is going to this website called Down Detector. What you can simply do is go to downdetector.com, just like this. Once you've done that, click on that search icon and simply type in Instagram, just like this, because we are going to see if maybe the Instagram servers are just down. This happens sometimes, and when Instagram servers are down, this basically means that you will not be able to perform certain actions within the app. So just make sure to see if there's any crazy spike. If there's not, then this means that these servers are most likely not down. Now, if that still did not fix the issue, basically the servers are just straight up not down, what you can also simply do is updating the app. You can do this by heading over into the App Store or Google Play Store and then typing in Instagram and just updating the app to the latest version. By doing this, you will basically refresh the entire app, and this will fix a lot of issues you are having with the Instagram app, including potentially fixing storage not loading. Now, if it's still not working, what we can also just quickly do is perform and clear cache over on the Instagram app. To do this on iPhone, head over into General, iPhone Storage, scroll down till you find Instagram right here, click on Offload App, wait a few seconds and reinstall the app back again using this page, which is really important. And once you've done that, you basically cleared the cache over on your Instagram app, and now you can see if it may be working again. Now, if it's still not working, what you can also do is go for a clear reinstall of the Instagram app. This means that you're basically just deleting the entire app from your basically your phone by clicking on Remove App and reinstalling it back again using the App Store. And this will basically fix 99% of any issue you are having with the Instagram app. And yeah, that's basically a really easy way in order to fix issues. And now, if it's still not working, what you can also do is force restart your entire phone. In order to do this, on iPhone, simply quickly press the volume up button and quickly press the volume down button after that, and then hold the power button. Hold down the power button till your entire screen goes dark, but keep holding till that Apple logo appears. Once the Apple logo appears, simply let go of the power button, and then your phone will basically start restarting, and you've basically force restarted your phone, which fixes a lot of issues you are having with the Instagram app. And that are basically all of those fixes I have for you in this video. So let me know down in the comments below which fix it for you. And that being said, please consider liking this video, subscribing to my channel, and I hope I will see you in my next YouTube tutorial video.